Yuma igongona ria gukungwira uturo wa Sister Irene Nyatha uria wanirirwo mukeni miaka 2 mihituku. Muthikafu munene wa Nyeri Anthony Muheria akioya mabura maya guthingata a Kenya guthikiriria atongoria o aria marasharia thayo.
And this message has to go to our leaders, our political leaders. PECE. It is very expensive. Peace is very expensive, and we can't throw it away. Love is what distinguishes a leader, where they are ready to come from their top seats to the low seats because they are moved by love of the citizen and love of their citizen, not of their constituency and not of their party. That is what we need in Kenya.
Miario ya Muheria igioka oriri bururi wina githagathago na thutha wa githurano kiriga kuregwo ni mwaho wa NASA. Muheria akiririkania a Kenya ati thogora wa witi thakame ya rumena ni wajikuwe mwene ekuriha aga kwihoga ateti.
And the citizens, let that poison of hatred come out. Let the pus of hatred come out. Let us look for right ways to seek our rights with peace and love.
Muheria ni gishaka ya gikuo kia muthikafu Cornelius Koril na kuga a Kenya mangimutia tu korwo mathikiriria wito uria ararutaga wa thayo.
We are sad while we celebrate the life of Bishop Cornelius Koril, but at the same time we know God had a message for us. Kenyans, let us listen to that message. Let's not be deaf that love and peace are very expensive.
Koril akuire muthi wa Jumatatu guku mathiko make makihaririryo gutafanio tariki 11 mweri wa 11. Ngiribotera Inooro TV njitagwo Monica Kagoni.